a special request from Bull Road, Menchum, Three Corners, Womb, for people where they no be get data, for go for Facebook, go follow what will happen with Seseko Ayuk Tabi. Adam accept on a request. So me go enter straight for the story.
While some are fighting for the future of tomorrow, some are fighting for their belly. Ulama, ula la 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 la.
People for Southern Cameroon, Sphero and Bazonian. My name na Capo Daniel. Today na number 15 day for the month of February 2019. I want bring una story way it don't pass way for here for diaspora. That means say for IG organization, they don't fire Seseko Ayuk Tabi for power. Who for fear imagine? Say some man go get guts, some man go get belly for stand for move Seseko for power. Then say Samuel Sako, he be put a motion for a cabinet, say me them pass a vote for move Seseko for decision making for inside the IG. Nothing that way happen. He says he use him up, he make him in Nangsam for the whole Southern Cameroon. Meguna here, uruna here, chop Christmas.
We will not allow policy decisions to be dictated by any one of our beloved warriors who is illegally held in captivity as a hostage or a prisoner. Not even in the confine or the confinement of the cruel Franco-Beti dungeons of Yaoundé.
Now the AIP that for the IG way na be replace Seseko na talk am so. Say they not allow person way there for inside Kondengimi begin to tell people to for do and for inside their interim government. Na that una take una year. It don't pass we. Say why they go make this motion. Why you go come out ask people may they make this kind of vote. They ready go vote na vote. Maybe we hear his own rationale. That means what way talk say now the reason this way then take this decision. We take this decision, say me them vote for inside that cabinet for inside that interim government. On a year.
The days when I was an activist, I advocated in very strong terms that when a general is taken into captivity, he loses the authority to command the army. I was not in any attempt trying to secure powers then. But it was all for patriotic reasons. At that time, I didn't even dream to take any leadership position within this struggle. I said that, and I said what I said then because it was the right thing to say. And therefore, we unapologetically stand firm with this assertion today because it is the right thing to do.
That means say Mola Saku talk say if general the reason why they decide for strip Seseko for power for inside IG na because say if a general then catch a general, he live inside captivity. That general lost all power. He need to get power for command his soldier again. But the problem now says Seseko no be na a general, and he no be the struggle for give any power or any instruction or any direct order for anybody for inside the IG. As a matter of fact, for the audio way they ran game for me, Capo Daniel, for that meeting where they be take that vote, you hear the motion. The justification may be na say EB they use the word unfit for service. So they be make that vote. This idea say Seseko they be need for moving because they for captivity. You need to work for people that are here. Because things where they be done stop that income the card where they be done put them say they did for inside Konengi they need to talk. They be already the talk to participate for inside cabinet for inside the IG long time ago. They be even talk last time say that thing say IG they be make parliament. It be been a wrong thing. Me they remain for their correct name for be regional head and country head. So Seseko be already participate. If this reason be correct reason, why they not be stop them things? Why not only now? The reason now from what we hear now because say Mola Samuel Sako it no be one me the IG their representative them this regional head This country head me them make their meeting. This APNC will be due for take place for America. Because if here, say if them go for that, if you go take decision, say me then Chakara whole cabinet, me them move them for their position. Because say they need to work fine. All man they complain, they try to step for that conference now say saving the leadership. So now the reason. And the second reason why they talk about that audio why here. Now because say Seseko Ayokta Bibi bring some objection about the collaboration with the IG cabinet, they get them with the Samuel Monso Kadina Tumi conference. Say that direct, it be make some statements. Say that it be over P2, be this way. He liking the manner of that cooperation, and if that cooperation be so, why they need to cooperate with the other leaders as well? So now the reason that way they be moved to Seseko for power for inside the IG. This one I already some sad thing because we know say the fact say political leader them dey for inside Ngata, mean that say me they move them for power because we see Nelson Mandela they be remaining the head for the ANC. If see they give direction, they give advice. They be even the talk for ye for inside prison. They plenty example then they will if we talk them. This thing already work. But I think what I be done talk since the time where them put Mola Sako for that power, because time where it come, them put the title between a AIP. That means they acting interim president. Ye go change them, change even the emblem. From that time, begin sack all people where they support Seseko for inside that cabinet. Be the worker. Plenty things in the way be the worker. They will do not be according to the rule and will be right and for inside Zaria. Make I put them a year on a year thing where it talk about a power. So I'm gonna the eye the open way to where it happen. When I go to understand what it happen for us side here. When I listen for ye fine.
Till my nomination and subsequent election into office as acting president. As your acting president, I was not appointed. I was voted to act. I'm therefore persuaded that because I did not fight to get here, why should I fight anyone to preserve myself here?
First of all, what the way the IG AIP talk now say, you don't need to fight any man for Shidong for power. But the fact say he talk about Palava fight for Shidong for power means say he fight for Shidong for power. And he talk say they be voting, they be nominating, voting me begin the use power. Now either way they use power. But now lie that because the election where they be making for IG, now the country heads and the regional reps they be vote. And they no be vote choose na Mola Sako, they be vote choose na the first candidate. And they take that decision for that vote, then count them. He lost election. Now the cabinet way they for they then go Shidong, then decide to me them pull for they no be say they be voting a voter. So now all this kind of lie them they make them it make people they argue. You see, he talks say they be voting like the acting president. Now lie. The interim government voting at the AIP na official title that way they began for ye. Now ye says up he change them. Now ye says up he go make constitution can't sign them. We not be even the one way Seseko be do them. When you see how our people they die for ground zero, the agency way we need to come together for prepare ourselves for try for bring this thing under a minimal level of conflict for the sake of our lives. The value of our human life would lost them. It pass with all these politics because now this kind chugu them they make up people they argue. When they do thing where they nobody give them power, when they mix all this in they make up people they argue for nothing. It be as it be. This struggle is big past any one man, and it must go before for the sake of our people as well. So make the constituent member for the IG, when are the regional reps and the country reps, me then go hold their meeting, decide do what way they want to do. We'll give them our blessing, and me them they make their act fine, so that they be in a position for act as an organization, for engage with the other groups and for see how we will go before as united people. Because all this power mongering, power hungry, fine. Now it is spoil this struggle. We'll not even get country set. Too much illegality, they bring so much argument and criticism. Because criticism, they only come now, only one thing that they go wrong. When you lie one time, you need to lie 2 times, 3 times for cover up that first lie. Fine. Now you will be the talk before the one make election for Southern Cameroon for any organization. Me them begin do vetting. Because when I go vote person for put up for power where they no be check a background. If Mola Sako the talk say it the one move Siseko for power because Siseko be unfit due to the fact that it for inside prison. Why you to be take power where you know say it not be fit for travel out of United States of America? Why? Why all this power fighting, fake justification, all these things, now it trigger argument, now it trigger criticism. Because every time you do things where you need it correct, people they criticize, and now it make you know if you take decision the way it correct for the people that I because you do things the cover and yes, fine. It be as it be, things are a collective struggle. These things are bound to happen. We are bound to be arguing and shouting, but that will only make us to become better, to find out who is who and we become better people. So we should embrace this process of collectivity, of debate, of finding out. It brings out the best in us and it makes sure we learn so that the Ambazonia we will have will be the one that we dream for, a democratic society full of tolerance, debate, and make sure that people have equal opportunity and there is justice and peace. So we give our blessing. I, Capo Daniel, I endorse the APNC. Me, go whole fine. Me then take the decision, clean their act, make sure say the IG is what it was meant to be. Ready themselves for meet their other brother organization and the various movement. The meeting should don't come together because this cabinet in particular have been the roadblock on all our attempt to unite all the various factions from one lie to another lie, one lie to another lie. Change thing them. Talk away no the day. Well, anyway, it be how we only encourage that change. Because if you want change, you must be flexible to change. God bless you now. May our struggle be short. May our independence and freedom be long. My name is Capo Daniel.